In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn on or turn off silent mode on iOS 26. Let's get started. If you have an older iPhone, you'll see a physical silent switch button on the side of your device. To turn silent mode on, simply flip the switch and you'll see your phone go into silent mode. If you flip it back again, silent mode will be turned off and your ringer will come back on. It's that easy. Now, if you're using newer iPhone with iOS 26 or models like iPhone 15, 16 or later, you may not have a physical switch anymore. Instead, you can control silent mode from the control center. So launch your control center. Here you're gonna find this bell kind of icon. Tap on that. Once it turns red, that means silent mode is turned on. If you tap it again and it turns to normal, silent mode is turned off and your phone will ring again for calls and notifications. And that's it. Whether you are using the old switch or the new control center method, you can easily enable or disable silent mode on your device. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.